Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have games that you can't find on Google Play Store in BLACKVIEW tab 12. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store, and here let's try to find a game like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's an icon right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back. Here in the home page, click on your profile picture, open Settings, enter Family, then Parental Controls. Select Apps and Games or disable Parental Controls entirely, it's your choice. I'm gonna go with Apps and Games. Increase PG to 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now go back. If we try to find the game again, it should be right here and we can play or install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.